Hey guys, I'll be showing a new feature to the favorite system. It's called camera feature. It basically lets you go from one camera to another camera that you save. It works in the scene and in the project. So yeah, to enable it though, because it's still experimental, after you open up your favorites menu by going Window, Favorites, Scene or Project, under the gear button, you have to make sure Enable Camera Feature is checked. If it's checked, you'll find it inside the Favorites menu under Camera Shortcuts, and you can have these ones. So we can make a new one. For example, you want to look at this beautiful rock here. When the camera shortcuts this, click on the edit button and call it beautiful rock. And you can click create. That will make it for you, and you can toggle between the location. Only thing, as it's experimental, I haven't looked into too much, but if you are on this one and you click the same one, it won't go, so you just have to switch over. But you should at least have two. That shouldn't be a problem.